There's been a lot of bikes stolen lately, so I've decided to upgrade my security on my bikes. Now, this isn't the be-all, end-all of security for bikes, but I suppose every little bit helps. This is a Kovix Overlord X alarm disc brake lock, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this off so you can hear how loud it is. So, pretty easy to set it. Push the key in, one beep, says ready to go. Take the key out. I'm just waiting for the warning alarm, which that is there. Now that's set ready to go, so I'm just going to give the wheel a bit of a wobble. Alright, so there we go, the wheel's moved a little bit, set it off, just waiting for it to activate. So there you go, that's 120 decibels of ear-piercing sound. I'm going to turn it off because that's actually bloody piercing my ears big time. So, key off, driving the neighbours crazy. So there you have it, that's the Kovix Overlord X alarm disc brake lock fitted to my DRZ 400E. So think about these sort of bikes, and I suppose these are the sort of bikes people are targeting to steal at the moment because they haven't got a lot of technology on it. They're easy to part out and they're easy to lift up. A couple of guys, a ute or a trailer or something like that, and within minutes they've got it on the vehicle and they're towing it away to do whatever they do with it to make their money and stuff like that. Okay, like I said, this is not the be-all, end-all of security for bikes, but I suppose combine that with the steering lock and placing the bike in a well-lit area where everyone can see it is probably your best hope, I suppose, if you're out on the street. Anyway, that's a quick, brief look at it. I hope you liked it. Please comment, subscribe, share and all that sort of stuff, and obviously like the video. Appreciate all your support. So there we go, Kovix Overlord X alarm disc brake lock. It wasn't given to me, I purchased it for about $80, I think it was 80 Australian dollars. Alright guys, thanks for watching, have a great one, cheers.